Hello student, here we discuss expanded octet rule, hypervalent molecule, and some example I have given ClF3 OCl2 XCF2 molecule. You have to select which is obeying expanded octet or octet rule, and Lewis dot structure as well as number of lone pair of electron, that is non-bonding electrons you have to calculate. I'm Meena Dikshit. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Here I draw here ClF3. Cl is group 17 elements, 7 valence electron is there, and since Cl around Cl there are 3 fluorines, so Cl is the central atom. I have written 7 valence electron, 2 here, 2 4, okay, 2 to 4, 5 6 7 means 3 electrons are bonded to 3 fluorine atoms through single bond. So total how many electrons now in around fluorine? 2 to 4 to 2 to 4 to 6 7 8. Okay, so 6 electron in total here, and 7 8 9 10 total 10 valence electron around chlorine. Why? Because 2 here, 2 electron to 4 to 6 and 7 8 9 10 10 valence electron around chlorine, so it is expanded octet or hypervalent molecule. Clear? When the central atom possesses more than 8 electrons around it, that is called hypervalent molecule, and that is also called expanded octet, because it is failed for octet rule but pass for expanded octet. Now in case of Cl2O, here everybody thinks what will happen here. See, oxygen is the central atom, Cl2 Cls are around it. Oxygen is having 6 valence electron. Out of 6, 1 electron is bonded to chlorine. So chlorine's octet is completed, Cl octet is completed, and we will see that how many electrons are there, 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. Octet of oxygen is also complete. So it means it obey octet rule. Okay, and it is having band shape. Angle, remember they are asking angle. In some books it is written 111, that is 111. In some book it is written 110.9. so according to your country you can choose. So how many lone pair of electrons here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 lone pair of electrons here. How many lone pair here? 2 3 times 3 here plus 2. So here 9 plus 2, 11 lone pair in ClF3. Here we have seen how many lone pair of electrons are there? 3lp, 2lp, 3, 6 to 8 lone pair. Now we'll go for XCF2. XCF2 here, it looks like that it should obey octet rule, but no, my son, it is following 10 electron around it, so it is expanded octet. And see here, it is having already 8 electrons. Already 8 electrons, 1 electron coming from fluorine, 1 electron coming from fluorine. So out of 8, 1 electron are forming single bond,